Hello guys, vegetable salad sa dinner. Ayan, lettuce, may tomato. Ayan, ito yung chicken. Ilagay ko siya sa oven. Then, bread. Ayan. Boiled eggs and cucumber. Yeah, of course. Ayan. So yummy. For the diet people. Yan. Yan. Of course, mayroon siyang sauce. Yan, yung sauce niya. Yung sauce niya ay mayonnaise, ketchup, parsley, and garlic. Chopped garlic yan. Little bit sugar. Yan. And lemon. Thank you for watching.